Hello and welcome back. I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for the month of February. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's Boxycharm, stay tuned. Before we jump into this Boxycharm box, if you would take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss any future content, I would definitely appreciate it. Now let's get into this box. I know most of us are familiar with Boxycharm, but for those who may not be, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription where for $25 a month, you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty items with a value of over $100. Now, when you receive your Boxycharm box each month, it does come shipped to you like so, in a black box with Boxycharm on the front. And when you open it up, inside it says Boxycharm at the top, and then your products are packaged nicely down there. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we got this month. Normally I get a card inside of the box telling you what the items are, but I guess this month for some reason it is not inside of the box. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll share the products with you, and then I'll jump off and find the prices of the items so that I can give you a total box value. The first thing I'm pulling out of the box is from EvoSkin X Aurora, and it's refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. Okay, so I guess they're makeup cleansing cloths of some sort. And this contains cannabis sativa seed oil. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. It says balancing and multifunctional. There seems to be some more information on the back of this package, so let's go ahead and see what that says. It says, Aurora Cannabis is one of the world's largest cannabis companies and is defining the future of cannabis worldwide. The Aurora certified label ensures quality, thoughtfully curated with Evio to provide a unique hemp-based product. All right. The Aurora certified cannabis sativa oil used in all collaborative EvoSkin X Aurora products is 100% grown in Canada. As with all Aurora products, you can trust that these are lab tested and have received the Aurora seal of approval. All right, so that's a very interesting concept to me. Cleansing wipes with cannabis. I'm not sure why I would need cannabis in my cleansing wipes, but I have some now. So, all right, on to the next product. The next product I am pulling out of here are facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. And I think I've gotten these before, if not from here, from one of my other beauty boxes. And it says helps to exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And they're little just like facial toner pads. I don't want to open it because I know I have some of these and they're probably open somewhere around the house. So I'm not going to open these. Okay. And it says directions, white pad across your face, neck, and décolletage once or twice daily after cleansing. All right. I really wish they had the little card because the little card always gives a better description of the products so we can get to know what the full size price is and all that good stuff. But anyway, let's move on. The next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Ciate London, and it says Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. All right, that sounds interesting. This is what that looks like. And I just unboxed another box, the Beat Face box, which is a new subscription from the owner of Slay Glam, and they had a setting powder in there as well. It's so ironic that I would get 2 setting powders in 1 month. That's very rare, but I'm excited about that. All right, so let's open up the Ciate one and see what it's about. All right, so that's what that looks like. Real pretty packaging there. And it's a pretty, looks like a really finely milled white powder. I mean, it's coconut, so it would be white. All right. Gosh, I really don't want to open this yet because I have setting powder already open and I don't want to open it until I'm ready to use it. But I've had something else from Ciate. I don't remember if it was a setting powder or some other kind of cosmetic, but I know that the things that I have used from them, I have liked. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay guys, so just a couple of more items in the box, and the next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Luxie, and it's a complete sponge set, bake, contour, and detail, and that's what that looks like. I'm really excited about this. I saw this as one of the spoilers and I was crossing my fingers that I got this instead of the brushes. So I'm really, really, really happy to get this. And in this set, it has the Luxie Detail Blender Sponge, Luxie Precision Blender Sponge, and Luxie Powder Blending Sponge. All right, I actually want to open these and see how they feel. I know I'm going to keep these, so let me see how they feel for you real quick. This packaging is really cute. I really like that. Just slides right on out. Okay, these feel pretty squishy even without being wet. They're not as squishy as the Beauty Blender, but it's a nice texture and a nice feel. And this would be nice for like your sharpening your contour and using the other side for under the eye or down the face here. So many different uses for these sponges. All right, I'm just sitting here playing with the sponge. Great. And they come in 3 sizes. All right, guys, and the last item in the box is actually the item that I got to choose, and this is the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Now, I did go on to Sephora or one of the other sites to color match based on one of my other foundations, and it did say that this would be the color I needed in Maple. Now, it looked a little dark to me on screen, but let's check it out and see how it compares to my complexion. That's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and put a little bit on. I'm curious. Pumping here for a while. It's taking a minute to come out. All right. Oh, there it is. All right. So that's what that looks like. You see that? Let's rub it in. Okay. All right. It is a little more red than I am. It's a little deeper, as you can see. So I can probably do one of 2 things. I can probably add in a little bit of a lighter foundation to get a better match for my skin, or wait till summer when I'm typically a little darker than I am now, and it will probably be a pretty close fit. But okay, I'm excited for this. I'm excited to get a full-size foundation in a subscription box. All right, guys, real quick, I'm gonna jump off camera. I'm gonna get some prices and I'll be right back. All right, so let's do a quick recap. We got the facial radiance pads, which are $17. We got the hemp wipes, which are $9.50. We got the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, which is $40. We got this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, which is $44. And the Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder, which is $22. So the total retail value of this box is $132.50. Not bad at all. And I really like everything that I got inside of the box this month. There are things that will definitely be used. I'm excited to get a foundation. Like I said, this is very rare that you would get a full-size foundation inside of a subscription box. As a matter of fact, I think this is actually the first time I've gotten a full-size foundation inside of a subscription box. I have gotten little samples from like Play by Sephora, but never a full-size. So I'm excited to play around with this, and I'm excited to play with the sponges, and the wipes will get used, the setting powder will get used, and the radiance wipes will be used as well. So that's everything that I got inside the box this month, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this month's box and if you received Boxycharm. If you don't receive Boxycharm but you would like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their site down in the description box below. As always, guys, thank you for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.